Divide 27 into two parts such that 5 times the first part and 11 times the second part are together equal to 195. Now, let the two parts be A and B. So, from the first part of the sentence, we can have the equation A plus B is equal to 27, such that 5 times the first part, so 5A, and 11 times the second part, so 11B, are together equal to 195. So 5A plus 11B is equal to 195. Now, let's multiply the first equation by 5 and subtract it from the second equation. So if we multiply, it becomes 5A plus 5B is equal to 27 5s is 135. Now if we subtract this, 5A gets cancelled out, 11B minus 5B, that is 6B, is equal to 60. So therefore B comes out as 10. If we substitute B is equal to 10 in the first equation, we get A is equal to 17. Therefore, our answer will be option A, 17 and 10.